Hello, in this video I wanted to go over the 6-week Unreal Engine beginner program that I'm working on to get people's feedback on it, to see if it's missing anything, if you think it's good, and that kind of stuff. So the idea of it is, it's split into 6 weeks. Each week we're going to cover something, and then at the end of each week we'll also have a optional weekly live call that you can join to see if you have any questions. And the aim of it is to hopefully have people being able to create their own original games in Unreal Engine. This first slide is just an overview of what we're going to cover in each week. So week 1 is just going to be teaching the fundamentals of Unreal Engine, how to navigate around it, going over all of the different blueprint communication methods, casting, interfaces, when it's most appropriate to use them, that type of thing. That way you have a solid foundation. And then we're going to go on to creating a simple arcade game. So I'm thinking in week 2, we're going to make Breakout, but in 2.5D and Unreal Engine. So it looks something like this. And then in week 3, I want to add a lot of game feel to it. So we're going to add a bunch of effects. So we may add like eyes to our paddle ball, adding a trail, screen shake, a bunch of other effects. That way we can learn to make game feel. Maybe it's a bit much on this, but we'll go over how to make it nice and polished. So we'll add it like this other example does it here, because adding game feel is also an important part of making games, which I think should be covered, which I've not really done before. So I want to have a section on this, and also in this section we'll go over how to make main menus and basically everything kind of essential that we need to have in our game. How to add game feel, screen shake, particle effects, that type of thing. That way we can make the game small, but also really polished and feel professional and nice. Because a lot of tutorials will teach how to make something, although I then want to go over how to make it feel as nice as possible, giving it that game juice, that game feel. And then week 4, practice makes perfect, so we're going to make another game. This time I'm thinking we'll make Pac-Man, because that's got enemies, power-ups, and a bunch of different systems which we can make. And then week 5, I'm thinking I'm going to give you 3 Unreal Engine projects. In each of these Unreal Engine projects, I'm going to task you with making something. So maybe you have to make like a save system or fix a bug in a project. And the idea of this is you'll learn how to add and debug features on your own. And then at the end of that week, I will also give you the solution to that. And then along with this week, I'm also going to include a video/series on how to learn basically almost any mechanic. Because Unreal Engine, you can almost do anything with it. So that means your needs may be like infinite. Maybe you want a specific tutorial on one thing or another thing. So I want to go over my process of how I'd go about learning and implementing any new mechanic you want to do. Because sometimes there's not a tutorial for something you want. And the idea of this program is I want you to be able to have the knowledge to kind of just go out on your own and be able to do something without being so reliant on something else, if that makes sense. So I want to go over how I approach learning a new mechanic or adding a new system to your project. And then week 6, we're going to put that to the test. You're going to have 1 week to design your own original game. And then in terms of the platform, it's going to look something like this. So there's going to be 6 weeks, and then each week you'll unlock the video, and then you'll be able to see all the videos in a week. And you'll also be able to see your progress bar up here. And then when you finish the video, you can just click here, and then you'll be able to see your progress. That way you can easily see how far you're doing. Right now I only have 2 videos, but they're going to be more across everything. And then I'm also thinking there may be like a leaderboard where you can like basically see your progress and compare with other people in the program. That way it kind of just motivates you. And then if you do choose to have the calls, there'll be a calendar where you can just see when the calls will be. And then the way the program is going to run, it's going to run in batches. So I'm going to collect a bunch of people. We're going to go through the program, then those people will give me their feedback, what they liked, so we can improve it for the next batch of people. Then I'll open up the program again, collect a bunch of people, we'll run through it. Those people can give me their feedback where we can improve it. That way the program's going to get better and better with time. And for the first batch of people, the program is going to be free because I want to just collect a bunch of feedback and have people go through it. So I'm going to earn no money for a month, but it'll be worth it because I want to improve the program and get people's feedback. So that's the program. I'm interested to hear your feedback and thoughts on it. If you do have any, make sure to comment them. I'll make sure to read every comment of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.